Jai Shri Ram. Sri Rama Vijaya, Chapter 14. Kaikeyi liked the advice of Mantra, and before the king came into her room at night, she had taken off her ornaments and thrown herself on the ground with her hair in disorder. In the meantime, the king entered her room and asked her what the matter was. When she replied, "Thou wicked king, be gone. I know your heart. You are going to banish my sons to a forest and give the kingdom to Rama." Dasharatha replied, "What you say is untrue, because I love Bharat and Shatrughna as much as I love Rama and Lakshmana." Kaikeyi replied, "Be gone. I do not want you in my room." The king felt it bad when Kaikeyi spoke those words, and in order to pacify her, he asked her what she wanted from him. Kaikeyi replied, "The promise given to me by you during the battle with the demons must be now fulfilled. What I want from you is that you should banish Rama to the forest of the demons for 14 years and install my son Bharat in the throne of Ayodhya." The king was thunderstruck when Kaikeyi made the cruel demand and persuaded her much to ask him for something else, but she would not mind him. In the meantime, his faithful minister Sumantra came and informed the king, who was lying on the ground in disorder, that everything was ready for performing the ceremony of installation. When the latter told the former what had happened in the room of Kaikeyi, the minister, being exceedingly sorry, went and called Rama in the room of Kaikeyi. The prince came and implored his father to tell the cause of his grief. When Kaikeyi replied, "The king had given me a promise at the battle with the demons that he would give me whatever I would ask from him. I have asked him to fulfill that promise, and since then he has been very sorry." Rama said, "I think he is not able enough to comply with your demand." Kaikeyi replied, "I should think so." "Well," said Rama, "if my father cannot give you what you want from him, I promise to give it to you." Kaikeyi replied, "Then go to the forest of the demons for 14 years with Lakshmana and let my son Bharat rule in Ayodhya." Rama said, "Most willingly. I have no objection to do so. It is just the same thing to me because Bharat and I are one." Jai Shri Ram. Sri Rama Vijaya, Chapter 14 complete.